Hello, how are you? I'm Gus from Luciqo.ai. I'm the founder of Luciqo.ai. Luciqo.ai is a platform, is a marketing intelligence platform powered by AI that works as a layer between marketing spend and business decisions. And in this video, I wanted to show you how the persona intelligence feature in Lucico.ai works. Persona intelligence is the creation of personas, and in order to make it work, you need to integrate the web analytics and your CRM. So Lucico.ai can be integrated with any CRM, in any web analytics. In my account, I have integrated Matomo and GA4 and HubSpot. So once you integrate it, you can create buckets with the data. And these buckets with the data range will be used to create the personas based on the data you extracted. So we know that personas are very useful to understand your audience in order that we can optimize your budget, you can reduce your churn, improve your conversion rate, and optimize your budget. So like this, you can have a better result on investment. So once you create the buckets, you are able to generate and select the data that you want to create a persona. For example, here you can create you can add the data based on events when your buckets, when Lucico is integrated with your account. So you can select the event by name. So in this case, there is according with the account that's configure. You can select those users that fill the form with interested in become a client, a student. So you select it. If you want a more detail, so you can select other type of data. As example, like the first source, it can be direct, or it can be Google, it can be any other traffic source. So you save, and if you want if you have enough data and if you have a CRM, you can combine the traffic from GA4 or with your web analytics and with your CRM. And this will generate a very powerful persona and will give you very useful information. I won't click on create because otherwise it will take it takes a lot of around 5 minutes to generate a persona. I will show you one output that we already have with this client, with that's the University of Johannesburg, with the data that we extracted from University of Johannesburg. So we see this type of persona is the one with a high intent score. So it's a purchase likely 80 to 100. This is the type of persona that should be your priority, because this type of persona is ready to become a client, and the intent score is 81%. You can extract other type of score, but here you can also see in which life cycle or stage of the customer journey is in decision, is in the decision process, and the persona evolution is like primed for conversion with recent high intent activity. So where this type of persona is coming from, the sources are email, and the second is paid search like AdWords and CPC. And the third one is the referral direct to application pages. So there are some websites that are driving traffic direct to the application pages. And this is the type of sources that are driving the best type of audiences. And then they give us the recommendations. So like prioritize fast follow-up by sales teams for form submissions. So user personalized content addressing FAQs to reduce friction. We know that this type of persona, they are seeking for answers for their application. So optimize the demo booking flows for mobile and desktop devices and increase budget for paid campaigns driving ready leads. So this is like, and you can extract much more information like traffic insights and suggestions about generative engine optimizations and content insights, like, for example, demo scheduling, pricing breakdown, applications FAQ. So you can also find out other information like geo teams, and also information about paid campaigns. So strong paid search and email driving conversions, that's the engagement pattern. So with this information, you can take better decisions, be more assertive on your budget and your marketing strategy. And you can also work on those type of audiences that are not still ready to buy. As example, this type of persona, when it has the intent score 62%, is in the consideration stage and is steady intent with potential for conversion. Is that it has potential for conversion, but it's not ready for conversion. So you need to create some kind of content and engage with this kind of audience, following the orientations that the persona intelligence gives you. The traffic source that this persona comes is Google organic and referral from educational blogs and partners, and also the newsletter, that's email newsletters engagements. It's a different campaign from the other type of email that the main persona, the high intent persona comes. And we see this is the newsletter. And the order was like a different campaign. So that's the persona intelligence model from Luciqo. The persona intelligence model is the third layer of the plan. So it's the third plan. So we have the free version, we have the signal plan, and we have the intelligence plan that costs £399 per month, and gives you all the information, all the connections, and also the marketing advisor tool. That's the brand tracker and the geo writer. But the persona intelligence is the top of Luciqo and is our big differential because it connects your audience. It gives you a better understanding of your audience, and also you can how can I say, optimize your budget, and as I mentioned before, improve your conversion rate, reduce your churn, optimize your budget, improve your result on investment. And that's it. Thank you for watch, and sign up on Luciqo.ai, and thanks for watching this video. See you soon.